I fondly recall when I was leaving corporate world, uh, HR. I was invited by BIMTech and engaged by them for creating something new and novel, apart from some occasional teaching to students and management development programs like leadership, etc. What we designed was the HR roundtable, and it was a wonderful product which came in our hand through discussions and through experiments that we had in the initial period. And we, apart from having professionals from HR all over the world, all over the country, we also involved very famous HR institutions like Ewan Hewitt and Deloitte, People's Matters, and National HRD Network. I think they were engaged in annual research in developing the field of HR and making it richer for the purpose of learning and growth. And when we got this idea, we started doing these HR roundtables once in a quarter. That means 4 times in a year, all over the country in metros like Bombay, Delhi, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Bombay. I think we were everywhere we were seen. We used to do it not virtual but actual roundtable, physical presentation, and we used to discuss with people who were assembling from all over the region or all over the city to discuss the subject matter of HR as per the theme or sub-theme assigned, and also discuss with reference to the studies done by researching organizations like Ewan Hewitt and uh, Deloitte, People's Matters, etc., and NHRDN. We found people becoming friendly to us. People used to be inquisitive from Greater Noida and NCR. How come a business school trying to make its entry in cities like metros like Chennai or Bombay or Hyderabad? They were quite amused, at the same time very inquisitive and supportive. So I think we created a learning movement and a special liking for BIMTech. People used to keep BIMTech as a memory and used to wait, used to ask for when is the next roundtable and where is it going to be. I think it was a wonderful effort that came up as a quality learning that we provided to the uh, industry and the academia. We also uh, became very popular while we were engaging these uh, professionals from the corporate world as well as the academia. We were engaging people in the learning movement, and not only through the discussion that we used to collect from very senior HR professionals in the academia and the corporate, but also collecting their articulations, compiling them, and making souvenirs to distribute to all the people who attended over a period of time, maybe about 1,500 people in a year, giving us reach, giving us a kind of a position, a memory in the minds of the professionals. We also found that we created a lot of information which we gathered as books, and with our collection of articulations of the professionals, but also at the same time we brought in our recommendations. We generated a book called Manthan, The Art and Science of Developing Leaders. We collected another one as Surya, The Art of Transforming HR. We had the third book called The Barupian Challenge, again on HR for tomorrow, and like that. And these books have become very popular, spread all over the country in the hands of all the professionals who attended, and so many others who chose to procure them. I think we have been generating as HR as a new learning initiative, new learning for the future that is going to come, challenges that are going to emerge over a period of time. And so we created a future for HR, and versatile roles that we assigned to HR, identified to HR, and worked on them to make HR more successful in the coming times. So it was primarily with a purpose that we carried on completing our work on the HR roundtable.